The importance of digital marketing for small businesses. Small businesses face a number of challenges when it comes to marketing their products and services. They often have limited budgets and resources, and they may not have the time or expertise to create and execute effective marketing campaigns. Digital marketing can be a great way for small businesses to overcome these challenges. It is a cost-effective way to reach a large audience, and it can be used to target specific demographics and interests. Here are some of the benefits of digital marketing for small businesses. Reach a wider audience. Digital marketing can help small businesses reach a wider audience than traditional marketing methods, such as print advertising or television commercials. Target specific audiences. Digital marketing platforms allow businesses to target their ads to specific demographics and interests, which can help them reach the people who are most likely to be interested in their products or services. Track results. Digital marketing platforms provide businesses with data that they can use to track the results of their campaigns. This data can be used to optimize campaigns and improve results over time. How to get started with digital marketing. If you are a small business owner who is interested in getting started with digital marketing, here are a few tips. Set clear goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing campaigns? Once you know your goals, you can develop a strategy to achieve them. Choose the right platforms. There are a variety of digital marketing platforms available, so it is important to choose the right ones for your needs. Create quality content. Your content should be informative, interesting, and relevant to your target audience. Promote your content. Share your content on social media and other online channels to reach a wider audience. Track your results. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your campaigns so that you can see what is working and what is not. By following these tips, you can create effective digital marketing campaigns that will help you reach your target audiences and grow your business. Conclusion. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that can help small businesses reach their target audiences and generate leads. By following the tips and trends mentioned in this article, you can create digital marketing campaigns that are more likely to be successful.